We're going to get something for Mimi's school tomorrow. Let's go na! Uy! Let's go na! Hold mommy! Hold mommy son! It's 7 in the evening. Alive na alive yung Madikeri. Good job! You're going inside. Good job. Go inside. What are you buying? Glue. Glue. Okay. Go give uncle. The uncle is there. This one, baby? I think this one is small. Babe, show me. This is big. Ano ba namang gloves ito? Today is their sports day. Kaya sila naka-PE uniform. And meron silang cap na binigay. And then meron din yan siyang gloves. Let's go. Ah, they are wearing gloves already.
Put her gloves. Come here.
Yung ibang kids kasi naka-gloves na. Go, baby. Bye. You're back. Love you.
Love you.
Your water is there, okay?
Okay.
This one. Other side.
Mama, say mom.
Namaste, Mom.
Bye, baby.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. She forgot I'm here. She forgot I'm here. Dito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. Mag-test drive tayo. Kasi nung last time, pinaservice namin to. If naalala nyo, nung andito pa si Sam, sinundo namin si Sam doon sa kabilang town. Doon lang kasi yung service center nitong Kia. Tapos, mula doon, mga more than 1 hour yung biyahe namin. Tapos, pag uwi dito sa bahay, yung sa area ko, sa passenger area, basa siya. So, yung iniisip ko, baka lang bukas yung tubigan namin, tas na-spill lang siya ba. Hindi ko siya pinansin. Kasi akala ko, basa lang siya ng tubig na iniinom namin. Yung sa lagayan namin ng tubig. And then, yung second na pagbiyahe namin nung birthday ni Abhi, malayo din yung biyahe namin, mga 3 hours, 4 hours. Tapos, na-notice ko na basa ulit yung sa area na to, sa passenger area, kasi ako dito yung nakaupo, si Abhi yung nagda-drive. Tapos, yung tubigan namin, yung ininom namin, konti lang naman. So, imposible na sa tubigan ulit yung na-spill. Sobrang dami talaga. Siguro mga half liter na tubig yung basa dito sa area na to. Sabi ni Abhi, hindi normal na sa tubigan natin yan ang galing. There is something wrong talaga sa sasakyan. So, pinaservice nung isang araw, tas kahapon binalik. Sabi nung sa service center, if na-check ba daw namin yung sasakyan, kung nag-leak pa ba. Hindi ko pa siya na-test. So, sabi ni Abhi, ilabas mo muna yung sasakyan, mag-drive-drive ka muna ng mga 10-15 minutes sa labas para ma-check natin if nag-leak pa siya. So, yan ngayon yung gagawin ko. Mag-drive tayo sa labas. Iniisip ko nga lang kung saan ako pupunta. Dito na side kasi konti lang yung sasakyan dito. 10:45. Matagal pa yung oras ko na nasa school si Mishka. So, let's go. Di talaga namin ito madalas na da-drive yung sasakyan. Imagine, mula nung pagpa-service namin, 2 beses pa lang siya namin nagamit. Ay, 3 times. Nag-ano kasi kami, nag-temple kasama si Sam. Tapos nung birthday ni Abhi, nag-temple din kami. So, yun lang yung takbo ng sasakyan. So, ngayon natin ilabas ulit. Tapos, dapat naka-on yung AC. Kasi sa AC daw yung nag-leak eh. Hello? Daddy, I'm out.
Okay, drive.
Okay. In fairness, malamig na ulit yung AC. Last time, hindi siya ganito lamig. We are back. Naghahanda na naman tayo ng para sa tanghalian. Pag nanay ka na talaga, walang katapusan na iniisip. After nito, may gagawin na naman ako. After ng pagluluto, may gagawin na naman ako. Motherhood. Buhay ng may asawa. Buhay nanay. Magsusundo ng anak. And all. So, tara, let's. Susundin na namin si Mishka. Actually, late yung pick-up time nila ngayon. Dahil nga, sports day. 1:30 daw namin sila susunduin. 1:20 na. Kumakain lang si Abhi. And then, we'll go and pick her up from school. Fast, daddy. We'll see kung ano yung ginagawa nila dun. Tiniming na Abhi yung uwi niya ng 1:30 para masundo namin si Mishka pareho. Let's go. Wala pa naman lumalabas. It means nasa loob pa yung mga students. Di ba kayo pwede makapasok? No, it's done. So, ito daw yung nilaro nila sa school. Nanalo daw siya. Sabi niya, 1 only. Good job! Demonstrate niya talaga sa akin kung ano yung ginawa nila dun sa school.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me.
Who is that? Doraemon. Go stand there. You want a picture with Doraemon? meron pa flower show ang ano guys, Raja Seat. Oh, what's this? Another one? Merong flower show doon sa Raja Seat. So, yun yung nadaanan namin. Wala kaming plano pumunta sana doon. Kaya lang nadaanan namin na ang ganda. Tapos, yung closing time nila, 9 pa naman. And mga alas 8 pa lang nung lumabas kami. Yeah. So, dumaan na lang kami doon kanina. Ah, okay. Ay, Daddy, I have sent it to Daddy. Daddy saw it already. And weekend ngayon, guys. Friday. Meron kaming movie night. Dumaan kami ng Smart Bazaar. Yung aming snacks. Mura lang to. Ano to eh? Buy one, get one, 50% off. Tapos yung rice puff and yung popcorn. Ito lang naman yung binili namin dun sa Smart Bazaar para sa aming movie night. Which one?
I started school.
No, you were running? Daddy saw it already, love. Movie night starts now.
Sit down alone.
You don't want to sit down alone. Dito yung aming snacks. Ayan yung kay Daddy. And yung bata. Gusto ding makisama dito sa amin eh. You want to sit with Mom and Daddy? Oh, hold your bowl.
I don't help you. Today's movie night.
Today is movie night. With Mommy and Daddy and Mimi. Meron kami kasing pinapanood na series.
Be careful.
Ngayon, pwede kaming kahit late na matulog kasi walang pasok bukas. Today is holiday din si Daddy. Saturday, Sunday this weekend. So yeah, let's enjoy our movie night.